MIUI 12 stable update rolling out to several Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco devices. MIUI 12 is the newest big release for Xiaomi smartphones. Perhaps even bigger than an Android version jump. Features on Xiaomi devices are dictated more by their MIUI versions than the underlying Android version. So a MIUI version upgrade is an exciting event. The first batch of devices to receive the MIUI 12 stable update included the Xiaomi Mi 9, Redmi K20, Mi 9T, and Redmi K20 Pro, Mi 9T Pro. As we reach the end of June 2020, Xiaomi's first phase of MIUI 12 rollout is complete, as many more devices have been added since the initial rollout. As we reach the end of June 2020, Xiaomi's first phase of MIUI 12 rollout is complete, as many more devices have been added since the initial rollout. This article will serve as the central repository of download links for all Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco devices that have received their official MIUI 12 stable updates. We'll update it regularly with fresh builds. If the video is useful, give a like and subscribe to get such updates.